my name is Jeff Messier. I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering in the Schulich School of Engineering, and this is the SPICE tutorial for Module 2. And so basically for this tutorial, I'm going to just show you the SPICE netlist for determining the voltage levels in the nodal analysis circuit example we worked through in the lecture. So here's a picture of that circuit. Again, you'll have these in your notes probably already. So we have a voltage source, 5 resistors, and just like I did in the first SPICE tutorial, I labeled the nodes. Okay, so we've got nodes 1, 2, and 3. Now over here on the right, we can see the netlist. And so we've got a voltage source. So this line starts with a V, and then we can put anything we want after it. In my previous example, I think I had V1. I've chosen this time to call this V source. Again, it doesn't matter if you use a number or a word or some letters. So our voltage source is connected to nodes 1 and to node 0. I forgot to put it in this picture, but the connection to ground is always node 0. So this point would be node 0. And let's see if I can, oh no, never mind, I won't get fancy. And so our voltage source is connected between nodes 1 and 0, and it's a 3-volt voltage source. And here we have our resistors. I just called them resistors 1 through 5 to match the diagram. Resistor 1 is connected between, so this is resistor 1, it's connected between nodes 1 and 3, and its value is 1K, just like it was in the lectures. Resistor 2 is connected between nodes 1 and 2, and so on. Resistor 4 is connected between node 2 and ground. Resistor 5 is connected between node 3 and ground, and we have resistance values. And so this first part of our netlist again specifies our circuit, and there we go, specifies the circuit. And then the control section specifies what kind of analysis we actually want done. So here again, we're going to do an operating point analysis. So we just want to figure out what the steady state voltage levels are in our circuit. And then we're going to print the voltage at node 2 and the voltage at node 3. And again, if we just give a single node number, this always gives us the voltage relative to ground. If we wanted the voltage between nodes 2 and 3, we would go print 2, 3, right? So I guess technically this should be 2, 0, and 3, 0, but SPICE doesn't require us to do that. If we don't give a second node, it's always understood to be ground. So we'll save that. We'll go to our SPICE window. Again, we just type the name of our circuit or of our netlist, press enter, and here we see the voltage levels. This is the node, or the voltage at node 2 is 2.129, the voltage at node 3 is 2.419, that's the same values we had in the lecture, and the voltage between nodes 2 and 3 is negative 0.29, and it's negative because the voltage at node 2 is a little bit below the voltage at node 3.